Hi everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make cilantro chutney. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos. To make cilantro chutney, I have 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of green chilies, about an inch piece of ginger, 1 garlic clove, 1.5 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of sugar, about half teaspoon of salt, or you can adjust it as per your taste, and oil. First of all, roughly chop cilantro. I always take long stem from cilantro and I leave the cilantro leaves for garnishing, and I use the stem when making chutney. You can also throw in some mint leaves in this chutney, but I prefer to use only cilantro. Once cilantro are roughly chopped, transfer it into a bowl or directly into the blender. Add the rest of the ingredients: ginger, garlic clove, green chilies, sesame seeds, salt, sugar, lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of water just to help it blend, and you can adjust this as per the consistency you like. Blend everything. Cilantro chutney can be used as dipping sauce that is served with samosas, cutlets, common dokla, papad, or veggies. I also like to just serve chutney as a side with sabzi and roti. And of course, how can I forget the main street food, chaat? You can also use this cilantro chutney in any Indian chaat you make. This is perfect consistency of cilantro chutney I like. I'm going to freeze this cilantro chutney, so I will be transferring it into a plastic container. You can also use ice cube trays to freeze into smaller cubes. I do like to add about 2 tablespoons of oil on top, and I will lightly mix it, but you can totally omit this step. Freeze it for up to 6 months. When you want to use frozen cilantro chutney, I would recommend that you take it out few hours ahead of time to naturally thaw before use. Hope you like this video and keep watching Flamboyant Flavors recipe videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.